Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to group checkboxes and set validation rules in your eSignature request. BoldSign's Group Checkbox feature provides users the flexibility to group up to 100 checkboxes within a single field, simplifying the selection process for signers. While individual checkboxes within the group cannot be set as required, users can apply validation rules to the entire group to ensure compliance with document requirements. These rules include setting a minimum number of selections, a maximum number to limit selections, an exact number that mandates a specific number of selections, or a range to ensure the number falls within a specified range. If the signer's selections do not meet these criteria, an error message will prompt them to make the necessary changes. Consider a scenario where an HR manager needs to gather insurance benefit preferences from employees. The company offers multiple benefits, and employees are required to select more than one option. To achieve this, the HR manager uses BoldSign's Group Checkbox functionality, which allows employees to select multiple options efficiently within a single field. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. To start this process, I first access the BoldSign application page. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the Employee Insurance Cover form in the Add Files section. Next, I add the employee's details in the Add Recipient section. Once that's done, I click the Next button to guide me to the Configure Fields page, where I'll set up the form fields. Within the Employee Details section, I drag and drop the name and email fields into their respective slots. Next, I drag and drop the checkbox field into the Insurance Benefits section. The checkbox settings section opens on the right side of the screen. I can customize this field based on my preference. Here, I need to create a group checkbox for the insurance options so that employees can select their preferred insurance benefits. To do this, I must add multiple checkboxes within this single checkbox field. I move to the Checkbox Values field and add the required number of checkboxes by clicking the Add Checkbox buttons. By default, the labels for each checkbox in a group are automatically set based on the number of checkboxes. I can modify these label values in the Checkbox Values section if needed. I can remove a checkbox by clicking the minus icon. I then check the positioning of the added checkboxes to align with the available options. In the Settings section, use the Data Sync tag to synchronize group checkboxes with another group. Note that the groups to be synced must have the same number of checkboxes. Once a group checkbox is synced with another, any changes made in one group will be reflected in the other. Since I need employees to select at least 2 benefits from the provided options, I must set a validation rule. As you can see, the required option is unavailable, as the group checkbox cannot be marked as required. To set the validation rule, I move to the Choose Validation Type section. Here the validation type and the number fields are displayed. The default type in the validation type field is minimum, but I can change it based on my needs. When I click the validation type field, a list of the available validation types, along with their brief description appears. The minimum rule ensures selection of the specified number of checkboxes. The maximum does not exceed the specified number. The absolute, precisely the specified number, and the range, within a defined range. I choose the minimum type and enter the minimum number of checkboxes required in the number field. Next, I add the signature field for signature. Once I'm done, I check my changes and send the document out for signature. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how the group checkbox functionality works. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I am navigated to the signing page. The name and email fields are automatically populated. In the Benefits sections, I need to select preferred benefits. When I select one of the checkboxes, a tooltip appears indicating the validation requirement. Since the sender has set validation to at least 2 options, the whole group checkbox is marked as incomplete. This ensures that the validation requirements are met. I proceed to select the required checkboxes. After selecting at least 2 checkboxes, the group checkbox field is marked as complete, as the validation rule is met. I then add the signature and complete the signing process by clicking the Finish button. That summarizes how to add and set validation rules for group checkboxes in documents using BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.